It's your boy Mine Kunz, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to be reacting on how to fix an iPhone not charging. This video was made in 2025 and it was recommended by a friend. So yeah, we're gonna be watching the video. So yeah.
Hey guys, so you're having problem with the iPhone 15 Pro Max not charging. It's a very easy solution. So you have water in your phone. So guys, step 1, you will need a toothbrush to clean the speakers like this.
Wait, are we fixing a phone with water or are we fixing a phone with a charging problem? Oh, Gonzalo Garcia! Hala Madrid! Hala Madrid! Hala Madrid! 2 goals, Gonzalo Garcia! Beautiful stuff! Beautiful stuff! This is why Kylian Mbappe must go.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo.
This is why Kylian Mbappe must go. Mbappe, you must go. We got Gonzalo, we are covered. We don't need you. We don't need you. We do not need you. We do not need you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is going to be a great 2026. The only thing stopping it from a great 2026 is if Barcelona win the La Liga title. But yeah, brilliant stuff. Wow, brilliant, beautiful stuff. Oh, I want I'm recording. So yeah, what you mean that my phone got a water problem? I've never said my phone got a water problem. I never said the phone got a water problem. I said the phone is not charging. There's a difference. There is a difference. But trust the process. Just the process. Trust the process.
Very gently, very nicely, just go with the flow. Okay guys, now we need a large bowl of rice and we shall put the phone in the rice and we shall wait for 30 minutes. Okay guys, now we have 30 minutes. Let me break it down for you.
Famous life hack. If you drink for water, put in the rice.
Okay guys, now you will need some washing liquid. You will insert the washing liquid on. Please make sure you clean the.
Bro, what you mean I'm putting washing liquid? What you mean I'm putting washing liquid? Are we fixing the phone? Are we destroying the phone? Are we fixing the phone? Are we killing the phone? I don't understand now. I'm lost. What you mean? I spent 30 minutes with my phone in the rice, removing water, and now you're telling me that I must wash it and I must put washing liquid. The liquid is basically going inside the phone components, and I have to remove the liquid again, the washing liquid, I guess, with water, which means I'm putting water again on my phone. Then why was I removing the water in the first place? Nah.
Phone very much and wash the phone also. This will clean the battery and the wires. Now guys, just put the phone in the washing machine. 30 minutes. Let's go. Okay guys, now we put the phone in the microwave.
Bruh, if you do not want that iPhone anymore, if you do not want that iPhone anymore, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wash it with that dishwashing liquid. Wash it. Don't end there. Put it in that washing machine. Put it in that washing machine. And don't stop there. Put it in the microwave. Oh, and if you put it in the microwave, let me tell you something. You're going homeless that day. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is 2 minutes allowed. 1 minute. But yeah, bro, you cooked. You cooked.
Now let it marinate for 10 minutes. This will warm your phone and make it very dry and nice. Okay guys, now we need to detach the screen from the phone. And as you can see, we have now two phones. The screen is the problem. So you need to fix this screen. As you can see, the charger is not charged. You need to
Are we fixing the charging ports or the charger or whatever? Or are we destroying this? Yo, bro is trying to fix the phone not charging by breaking the screen of the phone. The video did say go with the flow, so I'ma go with the flow, but
wash the screen again and again. Make sure it is clean, guys. Okay, let's see if the phone is now charging.
You serious?
Before I say anything, there was a good chance. There was a really, really good chance. Great save by the keeper.
Stop the cap.
Oh, before I say anything, how is the screen fine?
Perfect.
How is the screen fine? Let's forget about that. The phone is now charging. Wait, is it charging?
Guys, thank you so much.
But it did make the sound that it is charging. So yeah, so it is charging.
Sorry, I don't talk in a uwu voice. I don't know what you expected me to do. Uwu? No! I taught one.
So yeah, so did a great save again. A real great save. Wow, that's a really great save. Guys, Kamavinga is probably the best midfielder right now.
Okay.
You can help me or say anything, but Kamavinga is literally the best. The best midfielder right now. But yeah, so the screen is fixed. Magically it's fixed. No clicks, no nothing. The phone is charging. Like, how is that even possible? How is that even possible? How is it? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't. Like, bruh. Nah, you know what? I'm ending the video. I'm gonna watch Real Madrid beat Betis. So yeah, I'm watching Real Madrid beat Betis. I'm comfortably here. Anthony the GOAT is struggling here, so he's no longer the GOAT. The GOAT is your one and only Gonzalo Garcia. Real Madrid striker Kylian Mbappe is leaving Real Madrid in the summer transfer window. So yeah,
wait a minute. Who are you?
Please do like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Thank God.
Don't call me a legend. Call me Papa J the Great.
Udamudiba ungazi usondele eceleni isixoxo.